Take a ride in the 2023 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, FWD, remote trunk release, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.